This is code.org. I'm currently working on CS fundamentals. Add one or more functions that creates this stack of staggered squares using a draw line of squares function. Oh, okay. So add one or more functions. So we already got these three that we had been creating in the last several lessons. If you got stuck on any of those, go back and watch my tutorials on them. So we want draw. All right, so we need to make at least one function. And what I'm going to want to do is draw a stack of staggered squares. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Draw a line of squares. So let's do draw stack squares, or maybe just stagger. Draw staggered squares. And so what should this function do? All right, so right now our functions draw a line of squares. It repeats 3 times draw square. So we're going to draw these 3 squares, right? Draw square. This repeats 4 times. What we're doing here is just drawing each side of a square. Once we're done with that, we jump forward 100 right here. Go back, repeat again, drawing a square, which calls this. We draw that square and then that square. So how can we use this then to draw the other square? So to draw staggered squares, well, first we want to draw these 3 top squares, I'm thinking. And so a function can use another function. So let's draw a line of squares, and that will draw this first line. Then I'm going to want to turn, wait a minute. And then I'm going to end up facing this way. No, I'll jump forward 100, I think, because this line, so 3 times, draw square, jump forward, draw square, jump forward, zoop, and then finally we draw this final square, and then after we draw that square, zoop, we should jump forward and be here. Let me just double check that. Oh, I don't have a function. I need to ask it to run this draw a line of squares. Let's do that. Yep, so I'm going to be right here. So what I'm going to want to do then is action turn right by 180 degrees will turn us all the way around. Zoop. And so once I'm facing that way, can't I just do draw a line of squares again? Right? Because now I can just run this draw a line of squares again. I'm just going to take it from here. Draw a line of squares, I think. All right, let's try this. So what this should do is we'll draw one line, and then we'll turn all the way around, and then draw a line of squares. Zoop, draw another line of squares. Let's try. And notice you can watch the code run as it highlights the yellow. Oh, awesome. So that one was tricky, but what we needed to do was add this function that's calling on this function that calls on this function. It sounds complicated, but it actually simplifies, because if someone who doesn't know code looks at this, oh, what's this program doing? Oh, this whole thing is drawing all these staggered squares. Oh, how's it doing that? Oh, I guess it's drawing a line of squares, and what that is doing is drawing a square one at a time. So it kind of clarifies too. It describes what is inside each function. All right, let's keep going.